gels with glycerin in them are better suited for the summertime, and the creams are both for summer and winter. A curling cream and a curling gel. Well, gels or styling products now are way more advanced than they used to be when there were no products for our hair. Styling creams generally have more moisture to them and have light, firm hold, some conditioning properties to a cream. But remember, for creams as well as gels, they're like setting lotions for natural hair, so they are generally thicker. Gels, depending on the type of gel, try to avoid the gels or gels that don't have any moisturizing properties to them, that just dry hard. I know a lot of you want your wash and go styles to dry harder so that you get longer lasting wash and go styles. That's not advisable because you're not really keeping the hair moisturized and detangled by using a hard gel on your hair. But then there are gels that have glycerin in them that is a humectant and it attracts moisture from the air, and it's great for blocking humidity, keeping your hair less frizzy, keeping more definition. I tend to like creams during the winter time. You use gels that have glycerin in them in the winter time, which there's a moisture in the air depending upon the climate that you live in. That moisture, the humectant in the glycerin pulls the moisture from your hair, so it can dry your hair out or not work as effectively in moisturizing. So gels with glycerin in them are better suited for the summertime, and the creams are both for summer and winter. And again, you're using those gels and those creams like as setting lotions for thicker natural hair, like you would if you got a relaxer back in the day with setting lotion. And they are meant to go on the hair on sopping wet hair and saturated the hair to create your wet set, which is your wash and go style. I hope that answers your question. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.